Now, when I think about Link Interactive, I often think about FrontPoint, a very comparable DIY home security system, and you can check out our review of FrontPoint in our archive, so go check that out. But Link Interactive, while it is fairly comparable, it comes with its own strengths and weaknesses. So let's dive in and talk about those. Now, as far as the price for Link Interactive, $30.99 a month for their standard. That's going to be your 24/7 professional monitoring. $35.99, so add another $5 to that, and you get the gold, and that's your monitoring plus any smart home capabilities that you want to have. And then $40.99 for the elite package. This is monitoring plus smart home plus video. If you want to keep track of your video feeds, that's what you're going to need to do that. Now, each of these comes with a 1, 2, or 3-year contract, so that's up to you. And equipment is an interesting one because a lot of competitors will come with preset packages, and they'll kind of push you toward those preset packages. With Link Interactive, they don't do that. They let you choose everything a la carte. So as far as what it's going to cost you up front, it's difficult to say because it all depends on what you need. I like the freedom there, but it does get tough for me to say, here's what it's going to cost you up front. As for that equipment, this is not proprietary stuff, meaning Link Interactive does not make their own equipment. They use equipment from manufacturers like 2GIG, Honeywell, GE, probably some others that I'm forgetting off the top of my head. Is that a good or a bad thing? Well, that depends. The design is going to be the same as a lot of other alarm systems out there. Generally, it's a really basic standard style. But the good news is these are proven, reliable manufacturers, so you know that your equipment is going to work. The control panels, for instance, each come with two-way talk direct to the monitoring center. There are a couple of options on that control panel. The 2GIG is the cheaper one, comes with the basic package, or you can get the IQ Panel 2, which is more expensive, but it's got a bunch of extra features. Honestly, I don't know if you're going to use those. They both have touchscreen options, but this one has a bigger, prettier display. You're just gonna fork out another $200 for it. So that's something to consider. All of this equipment is cellular. There's no landline option here. Cellular is what we always recommend, but if you don't have a strong cell signal at your home, this may not be an option for you. And all of this is integrated with, or it can be integrated with third-party smart home equipment through Z-Wave technology. So whatever you want to use, as long as it uses Z-Wave, you have that option. As far as your experience with it, if it's anything like ours, it's going to be a perfectly pleasant one. This is a DIY home security system, so there's no professional installation. It's all up to you, but it is really easy. Like a lot of comparable systems, this is all peel and stick equipment, meaning, well, you peel a sticker off of it and you stick it on your door or your window or whatever. So it's really easy to install. Once you get it in there, they have good customer service if you need to call in for any reason. Nothing to write home about either way. It's not especially good or especially bad, but it is solid. And their 24/7 monitoring centers are very good, I would say. Like I said up top, Link Interactive feels a lot like FrontPoint, which, as far as I'm concerned, is high praise. I really like FrontPoint. Link Interactive may lack the customer service excellence of FrontPoint, but the equipment, the pricing, the installation process are similarly great. In fact, I think that Link Interactive might beat out FrontPoint on the pricing front by a little bit. So is it recommended? Yes. If this seems like something you want to look more into, go to the description below. I've got a link to the full review at reviews.org. And on your way there, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below if you have anything that you want to sound off on. And we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.